Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the angles formed by the transversal. Last time this is a transversal when lines are intersected by a line. Such type of figure is called a transversal. Last time we have studied about corresponding angles. They are formed on the same side of the transversal and in the same direction. If these are two, this will correspond to this angle, and this one, the lower side, will correspond to the other lower side angle. Same way for the right hand side also. This is one upper side and this one on the lower side. So these are the corresponding angles. Now we will study about another type of angles formed in a transversal. Suppose I take these two lines intersected by another line. The angles which are between these two lines, they are called, these are interior angles. These are called interior angles, and angles which are formed on the outside of the lines, they are called exterior angles. With black pen I have shown you the exterior angles, and with blue pen I have showed you the interior angles. So first thing you should be clear about exterior and interior. Now this angle and this angle, if I see, this is a figure of English letter Z. So angle formed here, these are called interior alternate. What type of angles? Interior alternate angles. This is one pair, 1 and 2. Similarly, this and this, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 angle, this is one pair, and angle 3 and angle 4 is the another pair of interior alternate angles. So they will form a shape of Z. So the angles which are formed in the vertex, these angles are the interior alternate angles. Now similarly, this angle, this one and this one, 5 and 6, they are on the outer side of the lines, so they are called exterior alternate angles. Five and 6, 5 and angle 6, they are exterior alternate angles. and here similarly 7 and 8 is the another pair of exterior alternate angles. I hope now this is clear. 5 will correspond to, this is a pair of alternate exterior and this is a pair of alternate exterior, and inside this is a pair of interior and this is a pair of interior alternate angles. Now these are the interior and exterior alternate angles. Now the next thing that comes over here, if the lines have to be parallel, if I give you that the lines are parallel, then what should be the property here? These are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree. The sum of these two angles is going to be equal to 180 degree. If the sum is not 180 degree or supplementary, the line L and M will not be parallel. If they are parallel, then the sum of these two co-interior angles is going to be equal to 180 degree or supplementary. Similarly, if these angles are given 3 and 4, their sum will also be 180 degree if the lines are parallel. But if the sum is not going to be equal to 180, means line L will not be parallel to line M. So I think the things are clear now.